So Pune has its own runway. And trust me, the fashion here is louder than the traffic, if you know the right places to find it. And today I'm here to show you one such place at one of the Pune's hotspot, which is FC Road. Today we are at Kapaas on FC Road, your go-to for everyday comfort with pure fabrics, sustainable fashion and unique handcrafted pieces. Let's dive into the heart of fashion in Pune together. Hey fabulous folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I come across a lot of people like my clients who are unaware about what's new in the city, what's trending and where to find good styles. So they come to me for recommendations and guidance. So in this video, I thought of doing exactly that. In this video, you will discover the story behind Kapaas, explore the stunning collection, get an insider look at the store and of course pick up some style tips from me along the way. So let's start. So hi Amruta.
Hi.
Tell us something about yourself and how Kapaas came to life.
Yes, so my name is Amruta Joshi. My mother is a gynecologist and I have seen her in very elegant sarees and always a very elegant clothing. So sarees or fabric was always a part of me, I believe. Kapaas was never in my mind that time. I created first saree, then my mother liked it very much. Then I created 2 more for her and then I started creating so many that at time I was having around 20-25 sarees. At that time my husband was like, "Acha, it is your time pass kind of thing, so you're doing it." But at first when other people saw it, they had this amazing response and they told me that why don't you do something in that. So that was a spark which ignited me to think about whether I can do something in this. And then we came first for our commercial exhibition, which was done here only on FC Road. So on that day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we had this first commercial exhibition, and it was a huge hit, such a way that I didn't have anything to sell on the Sunday. So what I had to do is I have to keep the pieces saying that these are sold out and you can customize it from them. Kapaas happened.
Can wear in the everyday life.
Exactly.
That is comfortable.
Very comforting, yet very elegant. A country like us, we cannot wear georgette and saying that ukdat nahi hai.
Yeah,
so it doesn't happen, right? So cotton is something you can wear every season.
Right.
So Kapaas is basically cotton.
Okay.
You call Kapaas in Hindi basically.
Okay.
So apan
that is what it means.
Yeah, Marathi apan kapus म्हणतो.
Right.
In Hindi they call Kapaas or Kapashi.
Oh.
So this is how Kapaas came into the picture.
So Amruta, what does Kapaas has something unique, like what makes it stand out from the other competitive brands?
Yes, when you are coming into the market around where you are surrounded with huge retailers, like we have W here, we have Biba.
Right.
So I have to be in such a place, because they are having so many sizes and so many everything. I don't keep sizes as such here.
Right.
So you can say that is my USP, but we alter it according to your measurements. Second thing is the price range. I have a price range here which starts from around 600 for a crop top.
Okay.
Till and now we have just started with the sarees as well. So it ranges from 600 to 6,000 to 7,000. It should be picked up with a small girl, like a 18 years old girl, as well as a 65-year-old lady.
Yeah, amazing. That's a really inspiring story. Being in this fashion, and of course I'm about to launch my first collection, so that is what I'm going to do. So I can relate to what you're saying right now. Basically, sustainability is the big focus in the world of fashion right now.
Yes.
So how is Kapaas contributing to it?
Normally when you see around the globe, it is something related with a luxury brand.
Right.
Actually, it's not luxury. Sustainability is your lifestyle and it has to be incorporated in your regular living.
And maximum people should
Exactly.
do that.
And it should be affordable to everyone.
Exactly. Okay.
Right. So we are using maximum of the natural fabric. So we are using the mull cottons, the cottons, the jutes many of the times, the silks, which are like the raw silks and tussars.
Right.
The second is the process in which they are dyed. But we see to it that maximum of our collection is hand block printed using the natural dyes. The third factor is the wastage has to be zero. Okay. So in that what we do is whatever cuttings are done, there is almost 20 to 25% wastage gone. So from this wastage, what we create is a kid's clothing, because the small piece might convert into a small zabla or something like that. So kids clothing, the other small pieces we use it into the home decor in such a way that we go for the small coasters, like the tea
Right,
coasters,
right.
or like the small wallets or something like that.
The most important thing, what
Yeah.
our viewers would be interested to know that someone visiting Kapaas for the first time, so what kind of experience can they expect, or are any there surprises for the first time visitor?
Yeah, surprises in a way that I have a small pen holder
Oh,
and the small
nice.
wallets. Every week, every Friday, we have our collection launching.
Okay.
So every Friday there is something new.
Something.
Here we have just launched this whole collection of saris and blouses.
Okay.
So the saris are huge hit nowadays at our shop. So I can just show you few of the saris. The saris also we have kept it in such a way that those are all linen, mulls and
Nice.
chandeli silks.
Nice.
So something which you can wear on the daily
Everyday
wear,
basis,
for the office wear,
Right.
maybe for the small function.
So
you can just
functions,
accessorize
pujas
it.
and
Yes,
everything you
you
can
can
wear
just
it.
accessorize it to
Yeah, these
departments.
sarees are from the range, like what is the starting range for the
Starting
saree?
range for sarees is around 2,000.
Okay.
And till 6,000 we do have right now. We
Okay.
have not kept sarees which are typical traditional, which you get otherwise everywhere in Pune.
Right.
So this
Right.
particular is a beautiful Madhubani print.
Right.
The fabric is chanderi silk.
Okay.
And you can pair them up with a range of the blouses we have here.
Right.
So this is something.
So you have ready-made blouses,
Yeah.
and you can mix and match basically.
Exactly.
Oh,
Then we
nice.
have many other blouses also, like a little bit designer and funky
Right.
looking.
Right.
So you can pair them with a lehenga as well, or the sari.
Saree,
Yeah.
So let me share my top 5 picks from Kapaas and how to style them. As you all can see, I'm wearing this kurta from Kapaas, and of course this has to be my first pick because this is something that I feel I can wear it every day. It's super comfortable and it is hand block printed. So the price of this is just $12.99, and I have actually mixed and matched this bottom with this kurta. As you all can see, this is not coming with the kurta, and I think it's looking super cute. Okay, so my next pick is the blouse that I'm wearing. Actually, it has a cute, richer print, so it's quite funky and quirky, and I like this kind of prints. I love it. I don't wear it often, but when I wear it, I feel like I'm having fun. I don't know, I just love the color combination. It's quite fresh and vibrant. So guys, I feel this is the one I love the most, and this is actually closest to my personal style. This is something that I will actually wear because I have this kind of stuff. So definitely it's so super comfortable and it's like effortless style, what you call it. I'm gonna buy it. Our next top pick has to be something from their accessory section. So they have this lovely wallets. Designs are really creative and colorful, and I would pick this one. Being handy and very lightweight also, and something to carry like when you're going out with your friends and all, and if you're roaming on FC Road especially. So the wallets actually start from 300, so they are really budget friendly, so you can pick one right now if you're on FC Road. Okay, so the next and the last and final one is they have this section of dress material as well. So they have saris, they have kurtis, they have crop tops, they have palazzo pants, then there's this dress materials and wallets, and dupattas also they have. They also have ready-made blouses which you can just pair with different saris, so different prints and different colors, and you can mix and match them. So yeah, I think you can get everything under one roof. So if I have to pick one from this, the final one, the last 5th pick, then it has to be this one. I just love this color, minimal work that they have done. So I'll just show you the look. This is the top, this is the neckline that they have the work on, and then this is the dupatta, and the same fabric they have the bottom. So let your outfits be more than clothing, let it be an expression for your personal style. Thank you for watching, and please drop a comment on your favorite sustainable fashion tip, or if you have ever visited Kapaas, please share your experience. Let's make this conversation. Hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, because we'll be back soon with a new video for your style dose from Punecity. Till then, stay tuned, stay stylish.